Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Jimmy a Geek. So today is the Ramadan of Muslim holy month, which we used to fast. So at this moment, I am having a fast, but there's a great and good development have started today. And firstly, to all Muslim, Ramadan Mubarak to all Muslims across the world. I wish you a happy Ramadan. So now let's get back to the bloody Microsoft. So there is a new development which happened about Windows 9. Everybody know Windows 9 is going to suck. Windows 9 is gonna be another piece of crap, piece of shit compared to Windows 8. And Windows 8 hater. Windows 8 really suck. I am using Windows 7. I will use Windows 7 up to 2020 until Microsoft provide the updates and system security. When Microsoft stopped providing the updates, so I don't know, will I switch to Linux or will I switch to Mac? I don't know, but there's a good thing. I'm really happy the new Indian guy. To be honest with you, I really don't like him because he's the same mindset of the his ex CEO. What was his name? Blumber or whatever was his CE, the ex Microsoft CEO name. The guy who said if you don't like how don't want to use Windows 8, then just don't use it. Simple as that. With that kind of attitude, I was really unhappy to see this new Indian guy of Microsoft, Satya Nadella, become the CEO. He's a veteran. Basically, will follow the same mindset. We wanna make the Windows 8 to Windows 9. We wanna implement the Metro interface UI on every desktop possible. We wanna make the shitty desktop possible as ever. But I don't know what happened. What kind of miracle happened? I don't know. Is there some really good advisor who have advised this new Indian CEO Satya Nadella, don't do that thing or you are gonna bring down Microsoft? I don't know really what happened, but whoever make this decision, there's a big decision has happened. Windows 9 or whatever it will be called will build on the same kernel of Windows 7, and then it will try to attract the Windows 7 user, not the Windows 8 user. Let's forget about the Windows 8 bullshit. Let's forget about the Windows RT. Basically, Windows RT is right there. Let's forget our Windows 8. Let's throw the dummy, stupid big ass Windows 8 on the Surface Pro 3 or on the tablet or on whatever. Let's forget our Windows 8 at all. Let's focus on Windows 7. Let's forget even even there is called Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 Excel. Go back to Windows 7. Let's be excited. The next window is coming, or Windows 8. Basically, it will be Windows 9. So what it will be called, how it will be, that's what I'm talking about. Windows 9 or whatever its name will be called, it will try to attract the Windows 7 user. It will be the Windows 7 with hundreds of improvement with new security, better security firewall, better system integration with a much better domain controller for the Windows 7, for the Windows Professional Edition. Overall, much better, solidly built, robust. The new window which is coming, which is going to target the Windows 7 user, it's not going to be crash. It's gonna be a robust, solidly built, but we don't know what its name will call. Maybe it can be called Windows 7.2 or whatever. It's because Windows 8 is the Windows 8 is has become the Windows Vista point 2 because it's the same bullshit like Windows Vista. Windows Vista was at least a usable window, a good window. I like Windows Vista. The problem was it having the drivers, but Windows 8 is a piece of shit. You are giving me a tablet on my desktop, you're giving me a mobile interface on my desktop. Are you kidding with me? Just take your shit out with you. Windows is a piece of crap. But let's get back to Windows 7. I love Windows 7. Sorry, I love Windows 7. By mistake I say it, don't get to say I love Windows 7, I hate Windows 8. Okay, Windows 7 is the best window build ever in the history. Not only the window, is the best operating system built. If Microsoft can come back and give me the Windows 7, the same Windows 7 with a lot of hundreds of improvement, with new feature, with new software, Microsoft, really, I'm gonna become a fanboy again. Most of guys think. Just few days back, I reviewed the Microsoft Surface Pro 3. Just go and watch that video. I got a lot of hates. People calling me that I hate Windows. I'm Apple fan, but really, I never use Apple product except my iPad. I'm always use. I have three laptops which I use Windows 7 on of it. I a Windows Vista computer. I'm basically a Windows fanboy, but I hate Windows 8. Windows it had given me a pain. Really, it that I was a big fanboy of Microsoft, but Microsoft said no, we don't need any fanboy. We don't need Jimmy Agik as our fan. We are gonna bring the bloody Metro interface on our desktop like a play. We're gonna implement a touch screen on the monitor. I don't know who wanna use desktop like this. We a bloody mouse. I bought this mouse about 20 USD a few days ago. We have Microsoft. You see, I'm Microsoft fan, but don't say that I hate Microsoft. We use mouse for the desktop interaction. For the Photoshop, we are not gonna use our finger. You see, finger. This is finger. It can be good for fun, just drawing something, making notes, but it cannot do the precise whatever tasks you are gonna do. It cannot do editing even with your finger on the Windows 8 computer. I don't know why, who the hell have given the Windows 8 idea. Whenever who has suggested this Windows 8 idea, or it should have been died on the prototype table. Hell with that. So I'm really excited to look forward with the new window, which is gonna be the same Windows 7, which gonna be the direct upgrade to Windows 7, the direct successor to Windows 7. Basically the Windows 7 successor Windows 8, but Microsoft want to erase our memory even though the Windows 8 exists. According to what's my opinion is Microsoft want to position the Windows 8 in the tablet market or ultra portable market like a Surface Pro 3, which can turn into a tablet or a laptop. But Microsoft wanna develop a fully different Windows 7 operating system with the true successor to Windows 7, just only for a desktop. So let's see, the next window is coming in 2015. We won't be surprised if Microsoft names something new, like Microsoft has a history of naming things like Windows Me, Windows NT, Windows XP, Windows Vista. Microsoft can name anything like Windows Ocean. According to some rumors, there is some kind of report suggests next window can be named as Windows Ocean or Windows Sea. Name even name even what you can name even window popcorn. I have no problem. Give me Windows 7 back with a solid robust interface, with a solid build, with a much better security. That's all I need. So subscribe to my channel. Bye, Anada.